Hello friends, today we will talk about how to make exterior paint last longer on your home. Are you wondering how long the paint on the exterior of your home will last? A perfectly painted home exterior helps improve your curb appeal, prevents moisture damage, wood rot and other wear and tear that arise during seasonal weather changes. How long these benefits can last depends on a number of factors, most of which you can manipulate to your advantage. In this video, we will take a look at some of the factors that affect the longevity of your exterior paint job and how you can intervene to make your paint job last longer. Before painting, number 1. Quality paint. It all starts with the quality of the paint you choose for your exterior. This will have an impact on the final finish and the durability of your paint job. Low cost, low quality paints don't give a smooth finish and desirable longevity as premium alternatives. They simply can't stand against harsh exterior weather conditions for long. If you are not sure which paint to choose, spend some time reviewing a number of options. This is not to say that overspending always guarantees stellar results, but chances are you will soon regret cutting corners with low-grade paint. If you are hiring a painting contractor, you should probably allow them to choose the paint for you. Number 2. Clean surfaces. Surface preparation is an extremely important part of the exterior painting as it directly influences the final look and durability of your paint job. Make sure the exterior of your home is thoroughly cleaned before painting can commence. While the quality paint you apply may stick well enough to the dirt and dust on your exterior, the same can't be said for the dirt sticking in place long term. Start by power washing the surface to remove loose dirt and debris and allow the wall to completely dry before applying the paint. If you are painting a wooden siding, you might want to sand off the loose old paint, dirt and any other form of surface stain before washing. The bottom line is your exterior surface to be painted should be crisp clean regardless of the material. Watch the weather. Weather control might be out of your reach, but you can certainly control when you decide to paint your home's exterior. You should generally consider painting your home in temperate seasons when temperatures are not too low or too high. Painting in direct sunlight or extreme heat can affect the drying speed of the paint and leave your surfaces with unevenness and brush strokes. On the other hand, painting when it's too cold can lead to bubbling and blistering of your paint job sooner than later. Number 4. Use a primer. Many homeowners often assume that the paint itself is all you need for a quality and long-lasting paint job, but that's far from the fact. Extending the life of your paint will depend greatly on your use of a primer. The primer makes it easier for the paint to stick to the surface, which directly translates to extended durability. It works as a base coat and gives your exterior surface a smoother look with fewer imperfections that could have otherwise led to bubbling, chipping, or peeling of your paint. After painting, repair damages as they appear. Rain, wind, snow, and debris can give your exterior wood trim and siding a significant beating over time. If you notice any rotting, water damage, or other problems with your paint and exterior surface, you need to have these issues fixed as soon as you can. This will prevent further damage and eventual costly siding replacement. Keep your exterior clean. Don't ignore mildew, dirt, and other debris on your siding or trim. Apart from being an eyesore on your home, they can damage your paint job if not taken care of in good time. Consider cleaning your siding and trim at least once per year to extend the durability of your paint. Ask the experts. The ultimate way to ensure a long-lasting and quality paint job is to hire a professional painting contractor. That way, you don't have to worry about choosing the wrong type of paint. Insufficient surface preparation missing critical stages, or using the wrong type of paint. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lords channel, How to Make Home.